Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to use Navicat Premium 11.0.8 and now I have one file that have contain a correct file and serial key. It's already so now extract it. Okay, and in this file have file and register key and file setup. Now setup. Next, accept. Next, and if you want to create a desktop icon, you can uncheck it. Okay, next. Finish. Open to run it and just Navicat Premium. Yes, register and close it, and now it use unregistered key. Yes, now we can break it. Go to register folder and click on rec to break it, and click on go to like that. Click the middle of software. Yes, click. Now it's okay. And go to Navicat Premium again, and now it's full, and now you can use. Now it's already registered.